Welcome to the heart of valor, the Indian Defence Academy, where dreams take flight and heroes are forged. At Indian Defence Academy, our commitment goes beyond education. We cultivate leaders, discipline, and prepare you for the challenges that lie ahead. Our campus is not just a place to learn, it's a home away from home. Our training grounds are the crucible where strength is forged, resilience is built, and courage is born. Life at the Indian Defence Academy is not just about training. It's a celebration of talent, a showcase of cultural diversity, and the forging of lifelong friendships. Our NDA Foundation course is designed to lay a robust foundation for future defenders. Our NDA coaching after 12th is tailored specifically for students post their 12th grade and navigates you through the complexities of the NDA entrance examination. From NDA Foundation and NDA after 12th to CDS coaching, AFCAT, and specialized NDA coaching for girls. Our SSB training is personally guided by the Lieutenant Colonel HDS Singh Bisht Sir. With decades of military experience and a profound understanding of the SSB process, he brings unparalleled expertise to our training program. Our expert faculty is dedicated to nurturing your potential and guiding you towards success. Join us at the Indian Defence Academy, where courage meets education and aspirations take flight. Enroll today and let your journey towards becoming a defender of the nation begin.